Welcome to this introduction of the new features in Acoustica 7.2, the latest incarnation of Acorn Digital's powerful audio editor for Mac and Windows. The Premium Edition includes the latest versions of Restoration Suite, Mastering Suite, and the Reverb plugin Verberate, along with the internal processing tools. These renowned plugins cover the most demanding restoration and mastering tasks and are seamlessly integrated into Acoustica. They are also available in other applications with plugin support. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for further videos that cover these amazing plugins. The new Remix tool uses artificial intelligence to split a finished mix into up to 5 stems. Remixing can be done in real time. Isolate the vocals.
It all depends on what you see. And if you see a sky,
or create a karaoke version. Acoustica makes it as easy as clicking a button. If you need more control over the separated stems, you can let Acoustica create tracks for each stem automatically in a multi-track session. Maybe you need some additional reverb on those vocals without affecting the other tracks.
it all depends on what you see.
Greetings from Kauai, Hawaii.
The new Extract Dialogue tool uses artificial intelligence to extract dialogue from background noise. Acoustica automatically detects and isolates the dialogue.
Greetings from Kauai, Hawaii.
Another interesting novelty is the enhanced time resolution in the powerful Spectral Editor. With a high-frequency resolution, normal spectrums get blurred when you zoom in on a short time region. Acoustica now overcomes this problem with the temporal resolution enhancement technology. Now you can easily spot clicks and dropouts in the Spectral Editor. The new default color scheme also reveals more details and is gentle on your eyes. We've implemented plenty of workflow improvements based on feedback from our users, like the possibility to solo processes in the processing chain, or the ability to render to new file.
It all depends on
The integration between multitrack sessions and clip editor was greatly improved, and you can now simply double-click a clip in the multitrack session to edit in the clip editor. After you've performed your edit, you can click the Render button to update the clip in the multitrack session. This is just a glimpse of the new features and improvements in Acoustica 7.2. Please visit our website, download the 30-day trial, and test for yourself.
it all